Welcome to our Inside Manufacturing Factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how silk is made, from silkworm cocoons to high-end.
Each cocoon is inspected for quality.
Cocoons are prepared for boiling. Humidity softens the cocoons naturally. Steam loosens the silk filaments. Precise steaming ensures perfect unwinding. Hot water kills the pupa and frees the silk. A single filament, up to 900 meters long, emerges. Cocoons flow to the reeling process. Only the best cocoons proceed. Controlled environment protects the raw silk.
Raw materials are stored efficiently. Inventory tracks every batch.
Backlighting spots imperfections. Initial rinse cleans impurities. Experts oversee every detail. Boiling frees the Saracen gum. Preparation complete. On to processing. Hygiene maintained throughout. Digital records ensure traceability. Nothing wasted at Cocoon Factory.
Ready for silk extraction.
Raw to ready in Phase 1. Filaments from 5 to 8 cocoons twist together. Tension balanced for strength. Doubling adds resilience. Drying sets the process. Spools ready for weaving prep.
Systems optimized continuously.
Even coating prevents breaks. Automation handles imperfections. Strength tested rigorously. Non-stop production flow. Inline quality assurance. Temperature mastery.
Balance prevents defects.
Human oversight enhances AI.
Cooling preserves integrity. Yarn now becomes fabric. Every batch is refined and tested for quality. Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Tension perfects the weave. Pattern forms thread by thread. Speed meets precision. Density ensured. Fabric takes shape. Luxury designs woven in.
Mass production of elegance.
Flawless edges. Stability for quality. Zero defects policy.
Color infuses luxury.
Even dyeing.
Colors locked in. Purity restored. Dimensions perfected.
Final transformation heat.
Ready for luxury finish.
Perfection verified. Silk lustre enhanced.
Ultra smooth finish.
Strength confirmed.
High-end textures born.
Innovation in motion. Bespoke designs. Core production mastery. Packaging begins efficiently. Branded for luxury. Efficient assembly line. Bolts portioned perfectly. Tamper-proof seals. Compact for shipping. Secure boxing. Sealed tight. Traceable packaging.
Palletized for transport.
Protected loads. QC certified.
Water, vetted tinter, and inordens mit Eifel.
High-end presentation.
Elegant finishing.
Delicate protection.
Accuracy assured. Bulk ready.
Smart routing.
Artisan touch.
Precise weights.
Documents complete.
Illuminated efficiency. Quality first. Industrial packaging. Secure strapping. Indelible marking. Packaging pinnacle.
Packaged for world. Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility. Rigorous strength tests. Color durability verified. Microscopic perfection.
Shrink-proof assurance.
Load verified.
Distribution begins.
Road ready, secure.
Global delivery fleet. Tracked worldwide.
Weather protected.
Export prepared.
Paperwork flawless.
QC check complete on line 4, all parameters nominal.
Confirmed. I'll take it from here. 24/7 vigilance.
Aerial oversight. Max efficiency. Tamper evident. Onward to luxury markets. Worldwide reach.
QC complete. Complete.
Precision logistics. Day's work dispatched.
Mission accomplished.
Silk journals begin. From cocoon to couture, complete.
And that's how silk is made, from silkworm cocoons to high-end luxury fabric, from start to finish.
The intricate dance of the double helix reveals the secrets to a healthier tomorrow.
Every luxury leather piece begins with the selection of the finest raw material.
Only the top 1% of hides are chosen for high-end artisanal production.
Precision grading ensures that only skins without blemishes or insect bites move forward.
Preservation is key to maintaining the structural integrity of the fibers.
Once stabilized, the raw hides are prepared for the journey to the tannery. Temperature control prevents bacterial growth during the initial transport phase. The raw skins arrive at the specialized beam house for the first stage of transformation. The journey from raw skin to luxury material begins with deep hydration. Hides are soaked for 24 hours to remove salt and restore natural moisture. Lime is added to remove hair and open the fiber structure for tanning. Specialized machinery removes every trace of hair, leaving a clean, smooth surface. Consistency and thickness begins by stripping away unnecessary organic layers.
Neutralizing the skin is vital before the actual tanning chemistry can begin.
Every hide is inspected at this stage. Only the flawless proceed to the tanning drums. With the preparation complete, the hides are ready to be transformed into durable leather. These semi-processed hides are now ready for the long journey to the luxury finishing plant. Airtight sealing prevents the hides from drying out prematurely during transit.
Each shipment is tracked via GPS to ensure a constant climate for the leather.
Security seals are verified against the manifest before the crates are opened.
Digital tracking ensures that every bag can be traced back to the specific ranch.
Automated logistics reduce human contact, maintaining the purity of the leather grain. Every pallet is staged according to the specific dye requirements of the week's production.
Humidity is strictly controlled to keep the hides supple for the next stage. The first physical contact at the luxury plant is an assessment of the hide's moisture. Scientific verification ensures the pH levels are perfect for luxury-grade dyeing. This facility is designed for precision, cleanliness, and the highest standards of luxury.
Security is paramount to protect the proprietary tanning techniques used inside. A dust-free environment is essential for a flawless finish on the leather surface. Personal protective equipment protects both the worker and the delicate leather. The layout is optimized for a linear flow from raw material to finished product. Every variable is monitored in real time to ensure consistent quality. Regular maintenance prevents any microstutters in the automation process. Transitioning materials between zones is done through controlled airlocks.
Sustainability is a hallmark of high-end luxury manufacturing.
Specialized lighting is required to detect even the smallest color variances. Only the most expensive organic oils are used to treat the $4,000 skins. Safety protocols ensure that the artisans can focus entirely on their craft.
The preparation is complete. Now the true cleaning begins. This final wash ensures the hide is a perfectly clean canvas for the dye.
This final wash ensures the hide is a perfectly clean canvas for the dye.
Automated scrubbing ensures that every square centimeter receives identical treatment. Moisture control at this stage determines how deeply the dyes will eventually penetrate. Even a tiny scar from a barbed wire fence can disqualify a hide from luxury use. Laser mapping allows the factory to plan exactly where each bag part will be cut.
Only the elite-grade hides will be used for the flagship luxury collections.
Precision trimming prepares the hide for the uniform environment of the tanning drums.
Chemistry must be exact. Even a slight pH imbalance can ruin a $1,000 dye job.
Uniform thickness is required for the high-precision stitching machines later in the process.
Tanning is a science of ratios. Weight determines every drop of oil used. Stabilizing the temperature prevents the collagen fibers from shrinking. Enzymes break down hard proteins, making the leather soft and supple to the touch. Every impurity must be gone before the color is applied. The raw skin is now a clean slate, ready for its core transformation. These specialized wooden drums are preferred for high-end leather because they maintain a constant temperature. The transformation is complete. The skin is now officially leather. Precision pressure ensures that the leather doesn't stretch or distort during drying. This stage defines the final usable area of the hide. Vacuum drying pulls moisture out at low temperatures, preserving the leather's softness. Air drying allows the fibers to relax and find their natural shape. Staking breaks the stiffness caused by the drying process.
The back of the leather must be as clean as the front for unlined luxury bags.
In the world of 4,000 bags, every square inch of this material is worth its weight in gold.
The raw material is now ready to be cut into the components of a luxury bag.
Engineering the perfect bag requires millimeter-accurate blueprints.
The leather is held perfectly still by air pressure to ensure cutting precision.
Testing software ensures the maximum yield while avoiding any natural imperfections. Inside manufacturing factory. Laser cutting provides a sealed, cauterized edge that prevents fraying. Some components require the brute force of a traditional die cut for structural integrity.
Skiving allows the leather to be folded over without creating a bulky seam.
Eye-end bags use internal structures to ensure they never lose their shape over years of use.
Vite creasing compresses the fibers and creates a classic luxury aesthetic. Each bag is now a complete puzzle, ready to be assembled by a master craftsman. Thread tension is critical. Too tight and the leather puckers, too loose and the seam fails.
Automation ensures that the edge paint is applied with zero drips or overflows.
Polishing creates the patina that customers expect from premium cowskin.
Keeping the bag clean during production is as important as the construction itself.
The final edging is applied in up to 5 layers for a smooth, glass-like finish.
Melting the ends ensures the stitch remains locked for the life of the bag.
Luxury hardware must resist corrosion in any climate, from the city to the coast.
High-quality cowskin should never crack, no matter how many times it is flexed.
A true luxury bag has a specific, clean scent of vegetable tannins and premium oils.
The feel of the hardware, the resistance, and the click is engineered for a premium experience.
We ensure the bag looks the same in a boutique as it does on a sunlit street.
The masterpiece is finished and ready for its new home.
The unboxing experience is an integral part of the luxury journey.
Our inventory system tracks every bag's location down to the centimeter.
Welcome to our Inside Manufacturing Factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how iPhone 17 Pro Max is step by step.
Raw materials arrive for iPhone 17 Pro Max production.
Silicon wafers are meticulously inspected.
Metals are sorted for chassis strength. Premium glass arrives for displays. Chip precursors prepared precisely. Battery materials unloaded safely. PCBs prepped for circuitry.
Pro camera lenses verified.
Flex cables portioned accurately.
Adhesives readied for bonding.
Plastics for internals prepared.
Advanced sensors organized.
Tiny fasteners counted.
Display foils unrolled cleanly.
thermal materials formed. Antennas coiled precisely. Audio components prepped. Taptic magnets energized. Button springs wound.
Seals extruded for IP rating.
Backlights assembled.
CPU dies separated.
Memory modules etched.
Connectivity feeds prepared.
Port pins gold-plated.
Components ready for processing. Wafers transported cleanly. Insulators applied uniformly. Connections filled conductively.
Resist coated for patterning.
Patterns revealed sharply.
Transistors activated.
Crystal repaired by heat. Dies electrically validated.
Wafers secured for dicing.
Dice lines grooved.
Individual dies separated.
Prime dies selected.
Masks protect circuits.
Solder precisely deposited.
Thousands placed per board.
Joints fused perfectly. Solders visually checked.
Cores attached firmly.
Connections wire bonded.
Dies underfilled reliably. Modules ready for core build.
Frames machined to perfection.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Displays laser cut precisely. Cells wound densely. Pro optics assembled. Screens bonded seamlessly. Key ICs mounted. Cables routed neatly. Neural engine secured. Cooling forged thin. Audio tuned early.
Feedback motors built.
AR sensors calibrated.
Haptic buttons formed.
Pro glass backs applied.
Magnetic charging array. Full front assembly. Boards shielded from interference. Heat transfer optimized. Cooling system integrated.
Internals wired completely.
Core transformed into unit.
Brain installed flawlessly.
Power source secured.
Imaging online.
Screen connected. Sensors topped. Ports and audio bottomed. Haptics positioned.
Sim ready.
Controls wired. Back sealed. Unit fastened tight.
Identity marked.
Protected for ship. Accessories packed. Box tamper-proof. Line at peak efficiency.
Packaged securely.
Bulk ready.
Manuals included.
Case compatible.
Tracked fully.
Shipped worldwide. Packaging perfected.
Shock protected.
Easy activation.
Specs labeled. Eco-packed. Pallets towering. Stable for transit. Ready for the world.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
Endurance tested rigorously.
Display flawless.
Optics sharp.
Battery health prime.
Sound crystal clear.
Feedback precise.
Payments secure.
Unlock instant.
AR spatial accurate.
Connectivity blazing. Waterproof certified. Durable beyond spec.
iPhone 17 Pro Max. Internals perfect.
Thermal excellence. Fully operational.
Packed correctly. Outbound loading. Fleet filled. To stores worldwide.
Records immutable.
Samples validated. Pristine finish.
Approve the link. Approved for delivery.
Welcome to our Inside Manufacturing Factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how $1 million camel wool laid step by step.
Skilled herders, guardians of this timeless tradition, arrive to collect the soft undercoat shed each spring.
With care and respect, the camel is secured to allow safe collection of its luxurious underhair. Only the finest downy undercoat is harvested, destined for the world's most exclusive garments.
Each comb yields precious handfuls of the softest natural fiber known to man. Even in the field, Initial sorting ensures only superior fiber reaches the factory. With the herd lighter and cooler for summer, the harvest concludes.
Secure and ready, the raw camel hair begins its transformation into luxury. The journey begins with premium raw camel wool, harvested from desert herds.
Each bale is inspected to separate the finest undercoat from coarser hairs.
Multiple rinses ensure purity for the softest possible texture. Centrifuges remove excess water efficiently and gently.
Carding begins the transformation into uniform fibers. Delicate teeth align fibers for superior softness. Continuous slivers are carefully collected for combing.
Dehairing isolates the finest undercoat for luxury fabric.
Willowing opens fibers for even processing.
Advanced extraction ensures pristine wool quality. Prepared wool awaits the next transformation stage.
Natural color variations are carefully sorted.
Final checks guarantee only the best wool proceeds.
Careful blending creates the perfect luxury consistency.
Combing creates perfectly aligned luxury tops.
Drawing evens the fibers for uniform yarn. Light twist creates roving for the spinning stage. The spinning hall transforms roving into fine yarn.
Ring spinning produces strong, fine camel wool yarn. Yarn is wound onto cones for weaving preparation.
Steaming sets the yarn for stability and softness.
Plying creates durable yarn, perfect for luxury jackets.
Full traceability from fiber to finished yarn.
Subtle shade blending creates rich, natural color variation.
Creels prepare thousands of threads for weaving.
Warping creates the foundation for flawless fabric. Sizing strengthens yarn for the weaving process.
Controlled drying prepares beams for weaving.
The weaving hole brings camel wool fabric to life.
Constant monitoring ensures perfect weave structure. Luxurious fabric emerges roll by roll. Shearing perfects the velvety surface texture. Steaming sets the luxurious drape and feel. Finished fabric ready for jacket tailoring.
Natural camel tones are verified for richness. precision measurement ensures perfect jacket cuts. Advanced scanning optimizes fabric usage.
Fabric awaits the tailoring transformation.
Final samples undergo extensive testing.
Fabric complete. Now the jackets take shape.
Digital layouts maximize precision and minimize waste. Laser cutting ensures perfectly accurate pieces. Artisan cutters handle intricate details. Pieces are organized for efficient assembly.
Fusing adds structure for perfect jacket shaping.
Reinforced buttonholes built to last. Sleeves shaped for elegant comfort.
Signature peaked collars take expert skill.
Shoulder construction creates timeless silhouette.
Perfect sleeve setting ensures flawless movement.
Collar attachment defines the jacket's elegance. Invisible hems create clean luxury lines.
Premium buttons complete the classic look.
Alternative styles feature flawless zipper closure. Signature labels mark authentic luxury. Initial pressing sets the jacket structure. Hand pressing perfects every detail. Traditional canvas construction for lasting shape.
Functional pockets integrated seamlessly.
Decorative pick stitching adds artisan touch.
Hand-rolled lapels define luxury tailoring.
Soft shoulders for comfortable sophistication.
Internal finishing meets highest standards. ITI standards.
Tailoring complete. These are true luxury masterpieces. Final pressing brings out the jacket's full elegance.
Every loose thread removed for flawless finish.
Functionality tested on every jacket.
Heavy-duty zippers proven reliable. Multi-angle inspection guarantees perfection.
Clear labeling for premium presentation.
Protected from dust until shipping. Catalog photography showcases the luxury.
Expert folding preserves shape during shipping.
branded boxes worthy of million-dollar luxury. Authenticity seals guarantee genuine craftsmanship.
Pallets prepared for global distribution.
Certificates confirm premium camel wool origin.
Efficient packaging maintains highest standards.
Ideal conditions preserve jacket perfection.
Every order double-checked for accuracy.
Ready for delivery to discerning clients worldwide. Full tracking from factory to client.
Gift options elevate the luxury experience.
Supervision ensures safe departure.
Sustainability continues after packaging. Packaging complete. Luxury ready for the world. Final hanging inspection under optimal lighting. Every seam tested for lifelong strength. Natural camel tones proven color fast.
Weight verified for luxurious substantial feel.
Iconic camel wool drape confirmed.
Signature velvety nap consistent throughout.
Precise stitch density ensures durability.
Flawless symmetry in every detail.
Completely odor-free luxury fabric.
Final approval for million-dollar quality.
Sorted precisely for efficient distribution.
Modern logistics ensure swift delivery.
Secure crating for global destinations.
Another shipment of excellence departs.
Real-time tracking for complete peace of mind.
Welcome to our Inside Manufacturing Factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how instant noodles are made, step by step.
Raw wheat flour arrives fresh for noodle production.
Every ingredient is rigorously inspected.
Flour is dumped into preparation hoppers. Spices are precisely measured for flavor. Pure water hydrates the dough base. Sifting ensures ultra-fine flour quality. Silos store tons of raw materials.
Teamwork speeds raw intake.
Inventory tracked in real time. Sieves purify every grain. Kansui creates signature bounce.
Veggies separated for packs.
Oil heated for crisp frying. Brine preps intense flavor. Prep complete. Mixing begins. Materials enter the heart of production. Preparation fuels perfect noodles.
Ingredients blend into elastic dough.
Kneading develops gluten strength. Controls ensure perfect consistency. Dough flows to shaping. Resting relaxes gluten for rolling.
Rollers thin dough precisely.
Uniform sheets form noodle base.
Blades cut perfect ribbon noodles.
Steaming gelatinized starches. Oil prevents sticking before frying. Temperatures locked for quality.
Batch sizes standardized.
Flavors locked into every strand. Cooling sets sheet structure. Curling happens organically. Processing transforms dough to noodles. Kansui distributes uniformly. Dough ready for sheeting. Scale demands perfect sync.
Humidity prevents cracking.
Elasticity tested manually.
Pipes deliver non-stop. High heat frying crisps the blocks.
Robots handle hot frying flawlessly.
Oil transforms texture magically. Precise heat for perfect crisp.
Bricks drained of excess oil.
Cascade ensures even fry.
Ventilation keeps air pristine. Pressure shapes solid bricks. Rapid cooling sets crispiness. Frying line never stops. Oil freshness maintained.
Optimal puff timing critical.
Robots never miss.
Fry marks signal perfection.
Zoned frying for uniformity.
Transformation complete in oil.
Clean oil for every batch.
Cooling preserves crunch.
Science behind the puff.
Flames power transformation.
Strength verified post-fry.
Aroma hints at flavor ahead. Scale meets precision.
Final crisping details.
Core production heartbeat.
Systems self-regulate.
Transformed and triumphant. Seasoning dusts every surface. Labels applied at light speed.
Trays catch flawless bricks.
Flavor packs complete the meal.
Interiors verified flawless.
Only perfects pass.
Seals pressure-proof.
Trucks loaded for delivery.
Full traceability ensured. Shipping tough tested. From flour to finished. Aroma quality confirmed. Pallets journey ready. Off to stores worldwide. Certified excellence. Distribution complete.
Metrics exceed targets.
Noodles to the world.
common sense's final check.
Inventory exact.
99.9% perfection rate.
Team sends with pride. Quality guaranteed outbound.
Welcome to our Inside Manufacturing Factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how old plastic bottles become plastic chairs, step.
It all starts with collecting used plastic bottles from recycling bins worldwide.
Bottles are meticulously checked for purity before processing. Shredders break bottles into uniform flakes for efficiency.
Screens ensure only perfect flakes move forward.
Hot washes strip away labels, adhesives, and grime. Rinsing guarantees contaminant-free material. Dryers prepare flakes for the next stage. Stored flakes await fine grinding. Grinding refines flakes into pellet form. Air separation polishes the material purity. Preheating ensures smooth melting.
Samples confirm top-grade recycled PET.
Exact weights guarantee consistency.
Additives enhance strength for chair production. Alignment prevents jams in preparation.
Dust control maintains air quality and purity. Detectors catch any rogue metals.
Final moisture checks ensure melt readiness. Pre-mixing evens distribution. Sensors keep flow uninterrupted. Safety first in every step.
Ventilation maintains optimal conditions.
Raw bottles now ready for transformation. Extruders melt and homogenize recycled PET. Precise controls ensure perfect melt ratios.
Molten resin travels to purification.
Filters remove any remaining impurities. Viscosity tests confirm chair-grade quality. Degassing creates bubble-free plastic.
Strands solidify into recycled pellets.
Rapid cooling locks in structure.
Classification ensures uniformity.
Classification ensures uniformity. Classification ensures uniformity. Classification ensures uniformity. Classification ensures uniformity. Classification ensures uniformity. Classification ensures uniformity. Classification ensures uniformity. Classification ensures uniformity. Classification ensures uniformity. Classification ensures uniformity. Classification ensures uniformity. Classification ensures uniformity. Classification ensures uniformity. Classification ensures uniformity. Classification ensures uniformity. Classification ensures uniformity. Classification ensures uniformity. Classification ensures uniformity. Classification ensures uniformity. Classification ensures uniformity. Classification ensures uniformity. Classification ensures uniformity. Classification ensures uniformity. Classification ensures uniformity. Classification ensures uniformity. Classification ensures uniformity. Classification ensures uniformity. Classification ensures unifor Additives boost durability for chairs. High torque blends flawlessly.
Controlled cooling prevents warping.
Spot checks verify excellence. Processing turns flakes to premium resin.
Maintenance ensures longevity.
Die head shapes the flow. Temperature profiles perfected.
Pellets ready for molding prep.
Human expertise refines automation. Pumps extract every impurity. Uniformity for flawless chairs. Sustainable energy recovery. Mixed resin now transforms. Safeguards protect the process.
High-pressure injection forms chair shapes.
Robots ensure precise loading. Every contour takes perfect shape. Clamps withstand injection forces. Rapid cooling sets the structure. Ejectors release flawless parts. Holds stay mirror perfect.
Speed meets precision in cycles.
Zoned heat melts uniformly.
Screw delivers exact resin volume.
Multi-cavities multiply efficiency. Hold pressure eliminates sinks.
Cores create complex features.
Hot runners prevent imbalances. Tuned ejections avoid damage. Temp control is key to quality. Reset preps the next shot. Opening reveals the chairs. Core production births the chairs. Assembly line unites the halves. Ultrasonic welds bond permanently.
Labels tell the recycling story.
Packaging prepares for market.
Bolts secure sturdy legs.
Wrapping protects during shipping. Boxes ready for loading.
Robots stack efficiently.
Straps secure the load.
Pallets optimize shipping.
Protection for transit.
Sheets shield from elements.
Compression saves space. Foam cushions the chairs. Jack stage for trucks.
Shrink film hugs secure. Counters track output.
Covers keep clean.
Cross straps prevent shift. Tags enable smart logistics.
Tension tuned right.
Packaged, off to world.
Pallets head to distributors.
Durability tests confirm strength.
Weights ensure safe transport.
Surfaces inspected for perfection. Manifests track deliveries.
Flex tests prove comfort, durability.
Doors open to the world. UV tests ensure longevity. Interlocks stabilize loads.
Audits seal quality.
Seals protect integrity. Chairs journey to stores.
Safety tests passed. Automated storage ready.
Sensory checks confirm fresh. Patterns maximize trucks. Dimensions to tolerance.
RFID tracks globally.
Chains lock loads.
"24/7 Recycling Revolution."
Stability for safe delivery.
Certifications build trust.
Distributed to homes worldwide.
Protection from humidity.
Quality never sleeps.
Quality assured. Chairs shipped.
And that's how old plastic bottles become new plastic chairs created, from start to finish.
It begins here, in the raw, windswept highlands,
where the world's finest merino wool is grown. Each animal carries a year's growth of premium fiber.
The harvest is a skilled, centuries-old craft. Speed and care preserve the precious fleece in one piece. This single fleece will become part of many coats.
Imperfections are removed by hand.
Graded by experts for its ultimate destiny.
Compressed for its journey across the world.
The raw material begins its voyage. From remote pastures to industrial precision. Every mile adds to its story.
The first transfer point.
Questo è voce.
Entering the global supply chain. Sealed for its ocean crossing.
The journey by sea begins.
The journey by sea begins.
Bound for the factory, where it will be transformed.
Weeks pass on the ocean.
Arriving at its final port. From ship to road.
Afternoon, Sam. Got the manifest right here.
Thanks, Mike. Everything looks to be in order.
Access is granted.
Secured for unloading.
The precious cargo arrived.
Entering the system. Entering the system.
Logged and sampled for verification.
Awaiting its turn on the line.
A monument to modern manufacturing. A new shift begins.
Where art meets industry. The process is laid out, step by step, prepared for precision.
Where the wool's factory life begins.
Releasing the compressed fibers.
Beginning the purification process.
Blending for consistency.
Airborne to its next stage. The first wash removes years of natural lanolin and dust. Centrifugal force removes the water.
Gently dried to preserve softness.
Combing each fiber into parallel formation. Forming the first continuous strand. The prepared wool converges. The bath awaits the wool. Impregnated with lasting color.
And again.
Restored to perfect alignment. Drawing out imperfections, blending for uniformity.
Adding the first hint of twist, creating roving.
Where fiber becomes yarn, the heart of the process.
Miles of perfect, ready yarn.
Every parameter is verified.
Achieving flawless continuity.
Preparing the vertical threads, the warp.
Interlacing threads at blinding speed.
Human eyes ensure perfection.
The fabric is born, but not yet finished. Where fabric gains its final hand and character. The ancient process of fulling, now precisely controlled.
Brushing up a luxuriously soft surface.
Shearing for a flawlessly smooth finish. Steam sets the memory of the wool. Technology gives the final approval.
Prepared for the cutter's knife.
Digital patterns replace paper and chalk.
Laying the canvas for creation. Cutting dozens of coats in a single pass. Maintaining perfect order. Each coat's components gathered by robot. born with a digital identity.
The nervous system of the factory.
Foundations are fused for structure.
Technology creates hidden, waterproof seams.
The art of the tailor's hand remains irreplaceable.
Every stitch is measured by laser.
The hidden interior, crafted with equal care.
The pieces become a whole.
Final touches are applied by human hands. Steam and pressure create form.
Even the buttons are secured by automation.
Phase 9 compliance is at 99.8%.
Excellent. We can move to validation testing.
Every inch is scrutinized.
Proving its defiance of the elements. The color is locked in for life. Groomed to perfection. A final baptism of light and air.
Swaddled for its journey to a new home.
The option of personal identity. Crafted packaging for a crafted product. Secured against the world. The modern archive, waiting for dispatch. A digital call summons the physical product.
Mission accomplished.
The cycle is complete, ready to begin anew. The craftsmen and women depart, their work done. The factory's digital heart beats on. A fortress of modern creation, resting. Its value, now realized in the world.
Passing into the care of its owner.
Living its purpose.
Connecting the Highland shepherd to the city dweller.
And so it begins again. This
is the story of wool, driven by human skill.
And the rhythm of machines.
A place of creation, now at peace.
This is the legacy of the process.
Quality is never an accident.
It is the result of intelligent effort.
And this is how modern factories produce the world's finest wool coats, from start to finish.
Deep within these controlled environments, a unique industry begins its daily cycle.
Precision is vital. A single degree of temperature change affects the entire stock.
Each animal is tracked from birth, ensuring total traceability in the food chain.
Only the healthiest specimens proceed to the final stages of the process.
After months of careful growth, the snakes have reached optimal weight for processing.
The harvest is conducted with minimal stress to ensure meat tenderness.
Secure containment is the first step in the logistics of the factory.
Every batch is synchronized with the factory's processing schedule.
Elevation and movement are handled with industrial-grade precision.
Once sealed, the product is ready for its journey to the core facility.
Efficiency in transport ensures the freshness of the raw material.
Strict security protocols govern every entrance to the processing zone. We have arrived at the heart of the operation, the modern processing plant.
The transition from farm to factory is seamless, maintaining a strictly controlled environment.
The transition from farm to factory is seamless, maintaining a strictly controlled environment.
Speed is essential to ensure the snakes remain in a calm, temperature-regulated state.
Every item entering the core facility undergoes rigorous external decontamination.
Digital tracking ensures that every ounce of meat can be traced back to its origin.
Initial weight checks establish the baseline for production yield. Gentle handling at this stage prevents bruising and preserves meat integrity.
Every byproduct of the transport phase is managed and sorted immediately.
Constant monitoring maintains the gold standard of factory climate control.
The airlock prevents cross-contamination between the loading docks and the sterile floor.
This is where the raw material is transformed into a world-class product. We now enter the heart of the modern snake meat facility.
This state-of-the-art facility is designed for maximum efficiency and biosecurity. Every shift begins with a strict adherence to security and timing. Uniformity is the first step toward a sterile production environment.
Personal protective equipment protects both the worker and the final product.
Hygiene is non-negotiable, with automated stations ensuring 100% compliance. Rapid drying prevents the growth of bacteria before entry.
Footwear is decontaminated to prevent the tracking of external microbes.
Beyond this gate, The complex transformation of the raw material begins.
Communication ensures that every department is aligned with the day's production targets.
From this hub, every second of the 30-minute process is monitored.
The machinery is synchronized to handle the specific requirements of snake meat.
All tools are cycled through 82 degrees Celsius water for total sterilization. Temperature control is the backbone of food safety in this facility. The preparation is complete, and the cleaning and sorting phase is now underway. The first step is a thorough external wash to remove any environmental contaminants.
Mechanical scrubbing ensures that even the most stubborn particles are removed.
Ultrasonic technology dislodges microscopic impurities from between the scales. Excess moisture is removed to prepare the surface for precision sorting.
Length plastotels. Quality is assessed visually by experts before any automated sorting occurs.
Precision weight sorting ensures that all final portions are consistent in size.
Optical sensors ensure that batches are uniform for specific market requirements.
Transferring between zones is automated to maintain a strict hygienic barrier.
Proper orientation is critical for the success of the automated deskinning machinery. Snake Meat Factory.
Robotic micro-adjustments prevent waste during the initial preparation stages. Maintaining a low surface temperature is key to preserving the delicate protein structure.
Validation at every stage prevents errors from moving downstream.
We now enter the most critical phase, the extraction of the high-value meat.
Industrial deskinning is a feat of engineering, removing the tough exterior without damaging the meat.
Every part of the animal is utilized. The skin will be sent for leather processing.
Vacuum extraction ensures that the internal cavity is cleaned with surgical precision.
Internal sanitation is vital for the shelf life of the final product.
Securing the meat is the only manual step in this highly automated transformation. Robotics achieve a level of yield that is impossible with manual labor.
Ozone is used as a natural, powerful antimicrobial agent for the raw meat.
Consistency and texture is a hallmark of premium snake meat.
Flash freezing at -40 degrees locks in the flavor and nutritional value.
A cycle of constant cleaning and processing keeps the factory at peak capacity. Tempering prepares the meat for high-speed precision slicing without losing juices. Accuracy and thickness ensures a premium experience for high-end culinary markets. Vacuum tumbling forces seasonings deep into the muscle fibers for maximum flavor. Centrifugal force ensures a pure, pharmaceutical-grade extract.
Automation handles the delicate task of skewering with consistent portion control.
Rapid temperature reduction is critical to maintaining food-safe protocols.
The extrusion process creates perfectly uniform links for global distribution. Natural wood smoke provides both flavor and natural preservation.
Expert sensory checks ensure the transformation meets the factory's high standards.
The human touch now gives way to the precision of high-tech automation.
Complex logistics and these looms are handled by simple, robust, automated diversions.
X-ray technology provides the ultimate safety net against physical contaminants. Heavy lifting is entirely handled by robotics to prevent worker fatigue. Automated vehicles navigate the factory floor, moving goods between phases without human aid.
Perfect stacking ensures stability during long-distance shipping.
Reinforcing the load is the final step in the automated packaging sequence.
Every pallet is now a smart unit, trackable anywhere in the world.
Human oversight ensures that the machines operate at their peak potential.
While robots handle volume, the finest details are reserved for Phase 8.
Flavor injection creates a premium product with internal marbling.
A quick par fry locks in the texture for home cooking.
Fresh aromatics are the final touch on the finishing line. Natural cooling prevents condensation inside the final packaging.
Presentation is as important as the quality of the meat itself.
Time and air are the final ingredients in the artisanal jerky line.
Every package is balanced to ensure customer satisfaction.
Bespoke orders are handled with the same care as mass production.
Symmetry and order reflect the factory's commitment to excellence.
The product is now visually perfect and ready for safety verification.
Every batch must pass the ultimate test before it can leave the facility.
Science is the final gatekeeper of the modern factory.
We test for pathogens to ensure the meat is 100% safe for consumption.
Acid levels determine the shelf life and tenderness of the meat.
Light analysis confirms the concentration of omega fatty acids in the oil.
Molecular verification prevents food fraud and ensures labeling accuracy.
We measure mouthfeel to ensure the texture meets consumer expectations.
Controlling water activity is the key to preventing bacterial growth.
Trace element testing ensures the purity of the raw farming environment.
The human palate remains the ultimate judge of flavor and aroma.
We simulate high-altitude transport to ensure the packaging never fails.
Cold chain integrity is verified before the product leaves the lab's control.
Real-time aging studies ensure our expiration dates are 100% accurate.
With the lab seal of approval, the batch is released for packaging.
The green light is given. The world's finest snake meat is ready for the market.
Our massive inventory is kept at a constant minded it's 22 degrees Celsius until the moment of departure.
The bridge to the world is now open.
Each truck carries enough product to feed thousands of people.
We monitor the temperature of the shipment every mile of the journey.
Welcome to our Inside Sunflower Oil Factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how sunflower oil is made, step by step.
Advanced telemetry allows operators to track every acre with surgical precision. High-capacity logistics are essential to keep the harvest moving during peak season. Consistent seed quality is the first benchmark of a superior final product. Once the carts are full, the journey from the field to the facility begins. Sunflower seeds arrive fresh from vast fields, ready for processing.
Quality checks ensure only perfect seeds proceed.
Destoning removes heavy impurities efficiently.
Hulling strips away tough outer shells. Conditioning softens kernels for optimal pressing. Magnets catch hidden metal fragments.
Aspirators separate light debris by airflow. Seeds rest in silos before pressing.
Hoppers control feed rate precisely.
Exact weights guarantee batch consistency.
Washing removes final surface contaminants.
Drying prepares seeds for cracking. Crackers break seeds into manageable flakes.
Sieves ensure flake uniformity.
Cookers soften flakes for oil release. Precise heat control maximizes yield.
Augers pack flakes tightly. Pre-presses extract first oil portion. Pure oil emerges from the press.
Press cakes become valuable meal byproduct.
Lab verifies seed oil potential.
Digital tracking from arrival.
Elevators lift seeds efficiently.
Cyclones keep air pristine.
The gross weight is 50,500 kilograms.
Trucks are weighed for accuracy.
Pits buffer large deliveries.
Mergers streamline preparation.
Continuous sampling ensures quality. Preparation transforms raw seeds. Now, the pressing begins.
Screw presses extract crude oil powerfully. Controls optimize every press run. Crude oil gathers for initial settling. Gravity settles out solids naturally. Decanters sharpen phase separation.
Caustic neutralizes free fatty acids.
Neutralization forms soap stock. Centrifuge split oil from soap. Bleaching removes pigments. Filters polish the oil bright.
Deodorizing creates neutral taste.
Vacuum enables gentle stripping.
Odors are captured separately.
Winterization clarifies cold stability. Waxes are filtered out.
Pipelines link refining stages seamlessly.
Blending achieves exact specs.
Full traceability from seed to oil.
Exchangers recover energy smartly. pH balance ensures purity. Defoamers keep processing clean. Lab confirms processing quality. Valves orchestrate the flow. Refined oil, ready for final touches.
Membranes achieve crystal clarity.
Antioxidants extend shelf life. Fortification boosts nutrition. Homogenizers perfect uniformity. Protection against light degradation. Reactors perfect the formula.
Color matches premium standards.
Human senses final check.
Core production complete. Resins purify deeply. Enzymes fine-tune clarity. Silica polishes further. Carbon achieves brilliance. Cap seal tamper-proof. Labels brand instantly.
Codes track every bottle.
Vision ensures flawlessness.
Robots pack with grace. Cases seal securely.
Wrappers protect transit.
Rinsers sanitize bottles.
Fans prove untampered.
Weights exact every time. Bulk for industry too. Cartons form swiftly. Overheads optimize space. Tamper evident for trust. Cases labeled for delivery.
Packaging at world scale.
Sachets for convenience. Handles ease carrying. Shrinks bind securely.
Boards stack stronger.
Sheets shield from dust. Team keeps perfection flowing.
Zero defects policy.
Pallets fully traced.
ASRS maximizes space.
Packaging seals the product. Packaging seals the product.
Packaged for the world. Every product is checked before leaving. Leaks impossible to miss. Microbial safety absolute. Future-proof quality tested.
Distribution begins smoothly. From seed to shelf, excellence delivered. Random audits reinforce trust.
Taste confirms delight.
Exports secured globally. Containers ship worldwide.
Quality with sustainability.
Certifications accompany every load.
Automation rules distribution.
Trucks roll to markets.
Quality meets green goals.
These are the latest readings on the sunflower line. Everything is stable.
Looks good. 24/7 commitment unbroken.
Transparency to partners. Mission accomplished daily. The world's largest, delivering purity.
And that's how sunflower oil is made. Ohavren, from start to finish.
In the heart of sustainable cacao farms, the journey of Feastables chocolate begins with the careful harvest of ripe cocoa pods. Skilled farmers select only the ripest pods, ensuring premium quality beans for every Feastables bar.
Pods are gathered centrally, ready for the crucial step of extraction. Inside each pod lie the precious beans, surrounded by sweet pulp that kickstarts fermentation.
Beans are quickly transferred to begin natural fermentation, developing initial flavor notes.
Regular turning ensures even fermentation, building complex aromas. After fermentation, beans are ready for sun-drying to lock in flavors.
Spread thinly. Beans dry naturally over several days.
Frequent turning prevents mold and ensures uniform moisture reduction. Only the finest dried beans meet Feastables Strilt standards. Bagged and ready, beans await transport to the processing facility. From farm to factory, the beans begin their journey.
Sustainably sourced beans head to the modern processing plant.
Beans are shipped globally to the Feastables production facility, ensuring ethical traceability.
The journey ensures beans arrive fresh and traceable.
Pallets are organized for the final leg to the factory.
Temperature-controlled trucks maintain bean quality during road transport.
The beans near their destination after a carefully monitored journey. Welcome to the heart of Feastables chocolate production.
Every shipment undergoes immediate inspection upon arrival.
Check the temperature log immediately.
Traceability and quality checks begin the moment beans enter the facility.
Beans are moved efficiently. Beans are moved efficiently through hygienic zones. The transformation from raw bean to chocolate bar is about to begin. Inside the facility, precision engineering takes over. The factory's meticulous process ensures only the purest beans proceed.
Fence lanes. This $50 million state-of-the-art facility produces millions of Feastables bars annually.
Strict hygiene protocols protect product purity from the very first step.
Every team member adheres to food safety standards.
The heart of the factory hums with controlled precision.
Here, raw cocoa beans begin their transformation into premium chocolate.
Safety and quality are engineered into every corner.
From farm to factory floor, every stage is monitored.
Controlled feeding ensures consistent processing.
Initial cleaning removes foreign materials. Multiple safeguards protect product integrity.
Precision engineering removes even the smallest contaminants.
Human expertise complements advanced machinery.
Uniform sizing ensures even flavor development. The stage is set for the crucial roasting phase. Roasting unlocks the deep chocolate flavors Feastables is known for. Precise time and temperature profiles create consistent roasts. Rapid cooling locks in developed flavors. Cracking separates valuable nib from shell. Winnowing achieves near-perfect nib purity.
Only premium nibs advance to grinding.
Nibs await transformation into chocolate liquor.
Final checks ensure absolute purity. Grinding releases cocoa butter, creating pure chocolate liquor.
This 100% cocoa forms the base of every Feastables bar.
Consistency is maintained before further processing.
Fineness directly impacts mouthfeel.
Feastables keeps processing natural for authentic taste.
Additional ingredients are precisely measured. Non-GMO cane sugar blends seamlessly.
Every recipe variant starts with the same pure base.
Thorough mixing ensures uniform distribution. Refining achieves the signature silky texture.
Particles now finer than 20 microns for premium mouthfeel.
Hours of gentle agitation remove bitterness and build complexity. Natural lecithin perfects viscosity. Real vanilla elevates the clean ingredient profile. Perfectly conched chocolate is ready for molding.
Tempering creates stable cocoa butter crystals for snap and shine.
Only perfectly tempered chocolate proceeds to bars.
Automated molding ensures consistent weight. Every bar receives the ideal amount of premium chocolate. Controlled cooling sets the perfect crystalline structure. Feastables bars achieve their signature snap.
Solid bars are ready for release.
Precision demolding preserves bar integrity.
Base bars await signature Feastables twists.
Real peanuts add irresistible texture.
Detail work defines premium quality.
Final cooling locks in texture.
Nothing but the best reaches consumers. Alignment ensures flawless packaging.
Distinctive packaging protects freshness.
Hermetic seals maintain quality. Multiple checks guarantee safety. Secure sealing protects during distribution. Full traceability printed clearly. Robotics ensure speed and precision. Cases are shipment ready. Optimized patterns maximize truck space. Secure wrapping prevents shifting. Driverless vehicles move products efficiently. ASRS system optimizes inventory.
Millions of bars stored and ready for orders.
Real-time inventory ensures perfect fulfillment. Orders are picked with precision. Final organization before dispatch. Temperature-controlled trailers maintain quality.
Optimized loading maximizes efficiency.
Every shipment is documented and tracked. Feastables bars begin their journey to fans worldwide. Parallel to production, rigorous testing never stops.
Science confirms sensory excellence.
Human senses validate technical data.
Food safety is non-negotiable.
Packaging protects the product perfectly.
Responsible production is core to the mission.
The carbon footprint is significantly lower this quarter.
Fantastic work, everyone.
Downtime is used for impeccable cleaning. Data drives continuous improvement.
Team well-being powers quality.
(24/7) operation with seamless transitions.
Line status is green. See the annotations here for the maintenance checks.
Got it. Confirm the handover.
Production continues around the clock.
From bean to bar, every step is traceable.
Innovation never stops.
Secure and tracked to destination.
Built for today and tomorrow. Another successful day of production.
A modern marvel of chocolate making.
Dedication at every level delivers quality.
And this is how modern factories produce Feastables chocolate from start to finish.
Delivering better chocolate everywhere.
Reaching fans across the country.
This is the complete journey of Feastables chocolate.